With Summit Mobile, your technicians have the ability to clock in and out of a repair order directly from their mobile device. This keeps your technicians in their bay as they quickly and easily move from job to job. Technicians can also make non-RO time clock punches for start of day, lunches, breaks, and end of shift. This reduces your hardware investment by utilizing your technicians' existing phones. If your technicians do not currently utilize Android phones, Android tablets are available at retail prices of as low as $49.99.